All right, I think it's fun to show how the community garden looks now in what, May 12th on a Monday. It's gonna look very different June 12th. All right, we'll walk around here in about a month to check it out. Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, excuse me. I was just weeding, so there's probably some pollen up my nose. But yeah, a lot of beautiful gardens here. I like to show off everyone else's garden. Mine's not so pretty or organized, but we'll walk around here in about a month so you can see how pretty this looks. Everyone else's garden. Just want you to get the baseline data here. And some are overgrown, some there's no occupants this year for some of them, but check it out. I think it also shows how there's no oh my goodness, there's no one way to a garden, right? Everyone has their own approach. Some are a little bit wasteful, some aren't. Some are very efficient with their space and their time. I'm probably not the most efficient. And yeah, I just think it's nice to highlight how everyone gardens and where they are now. Here's mine. Here's a view that you don't often see, the back side of mine. And got the peach trees, the potted plants, and the potatoes popping up. But yeah, it's still overgrown, still a hot mess, and we'll get it right. But yeah, I think it's really nice to see what the community garden looks like now and what it will look like in about a month. And then we'll check on it in July. Yeah, but mine's a hot mess. It's a nice garden, nice community garden. I feel like my issue is that I try to do too much too fast, and so everyone else has a nice healthy pace. They pace themselves, right? It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. The growing season is not a marathon. But yeah, a lot of pretty gardens. Hopefully you can see all that and enjoy the beauty of this in the beginning of May. And we'll check in again in June.